Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download H&R Block software for 1099 filing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hrblock.com and press enter. Once the H&R Block website loads, look for the products menu at the top of the page. Hover over the products menu to reveal a drop-down list. Select tax software from the drop-down options. Scroll down the page to find different versions of the software available. Locate the version that meets your 1099 filing needs. Click on the version to view more details about its features and pricing. To begin the download, click on the Buy Now button. Follow the prompts to create an account or log in. If you are creating a new account, fill in the required information and click Create Account. Once logged in, review your order details. Proceed by clicking the Continue to Checkout button. Enter your payment information and select your preferred payment method. After completing your purchase, look for the download link or button on the confirmation page. Click on the download link to begin downloading the software. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the downloaded H&R Block software file and double-click on it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Once installed, open the H&R Block software. You are now ready to start filing your 1099 forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.